आधी आधी बात ले, आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन। थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशिया।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाब के दिन से चल बनाए आशिया। दीवारें फिर भी नजरों के खुले, बादलों के ऊपर शाखी हरी पंख चले, ना हो कोई तकरारे, अरे मस्ती ठहाके चले, प्यार के सिक्कों से महीने का खर्चा चले।
दबे दबे पाँव से आए होले होले जिंदगी, ओठों पे कुंडी चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल तुम सुन तराने, चुप के गाए आधी आधी बात ले, आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन। थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशिया।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाब के दिन से चल बनाए आशिया।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के दिन से चल बनाए आशिया।
To send a letter is the best way to go somewhere without moving anything but your heart. Namaste. I, Tamanna, welcome you to today's morning assembly. Today is October 7, 2020 અને ગુજરાતી તિથિ પ્રમાણે આજે અધિક આસો વધ ચોથ છે. A prayer is the most important conversation you make during your day. Why not make it with God before you make it with anyone else? With this thought in mind, let us move ahead with our morning prayers and pray to the Almighty.
लब पे आती है दुआ बनके, तमन्ना मेरी।
जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी,
जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी। दुनिया का मेरे दम से अंधेरा हो जाए,
हर तरफ मेरे चमकने से उजाला हो जाए,
हर तरफ मेरे चमकने से उजाला हो जाए। पे आती है दुआ बनके तमन्ना मेरी।
हो मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना।
हो मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना।
दर्दमंदों से ज़रीफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना।
दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना।
मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको। नेक जो राह हो उस राह पे चलाना मुझको। लबे आती है दुआ बनके तमन्ना मेरी।
जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी।
लबे आती है दुआ बनके तमन्ना मेरी।
तमन्ना मेरी।
तमन्ना मेरी।
The art of letter writing has lost its essence in this generation of emails and text messages. Now, Hetvi will elaborate on the joy of receiving and writing letters in this day and age.
Namaste. I am Hetvi of class 80. I like reading Harry Potter and doing Garba, but I don't like exercising. Old-fashioned letters. Old-fashioned letters have good temper, and nobody writes them now. Never it all comes in the scroll on the written pages which told us all. The news of the town and the folks we knew, and what they had done or were going to do. It seems that we have forgotten how to spend an hour with our pen in hand and write in the language which we understand. old-fashioned letters we used to get and ponder each fond line over. The glad words rolled like running gold, as smoothly their tales of joy they told. And our hearts beat fast with keen delight as we read the news that they were pleased to write. But few of the letters that come today are penned to us in the old-time way. Old-fashioned letters that told us all the tales of the far away, where they'd been and the folks they had seen. Better than a fine magazine was the writing too, for it bore the style of our simple hearts and a sunny smile, and was as pure as the breath of May. Some of them were oft with damp tears, but those were the letters which lived for years. Old-fashioned letters, how good they were. But nobody writes them now. And oh, how we watch the mails. But nobody writes about their quaint delights of sunny days and merry nights, or tells us something that we yearn to know. That art passed out with us long ago. And lost are the simple tales. Yet, we all would be happier I think, if we'd spend more time with our pen and ink. If we'd spend more time with our pen and ink.
We live in an era where instant messages and texts are popular. But this era has deprived us of the happiness felt of receiving a letter or replying to a letter. It has also deprived us of the joy felt while awaiting a reply from a near or dear one to whom we have written a letter. Let us see how the communication has changed many folds in our next performance, then versus now.
Hope she gets it soon. I can't wait for her reply.
My god, I can't believe this is here. I've been waiting for this for so long and I haven't talked to her for a month.
I haven't seen her from so long. I hope her mother allows her when she reads the letter.
Mom, can I spend a week at Prachi's place this summer? Please!
Although in these times we don't write letters to our loved ones anymore, there is always one person who would be happy to receive a letter from us when we need it the most. A letter to our future self.
Dear future self,
I'm assuming you're reading this on some sort of really cool screen.
I hope you are doing well.
I know you're really busy, but take a short break.
Call up an old friend.
Go through a box of pictures.
Walk through the memory lane.
Think about everything that has led up to this moment.
Every little thing that you cried over, but now laugh about.
Watch old home movies.
Call mom and dad.
I know you must have gone through a lot of hardships. But at the end of the day, you are still you, and that's what matters.
Then nothing made you lose yourself.
Nothing made you change. Treat yourself tonight, because I know you deserve it.
And remember, it will all be fine.
as they say.
This too shall pass.
With love, you.
Change is required if we want to live on this earth. Change is something which happens with time. You need to change with time, or the time will change you forcibly. With this thought in mind, we come to an end to this assembly. I request you to stand up for the national anthem. Assembly Savdhan!
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Assembly Vishram. Today's point to Sojo is about the joy of receiving and giving letters. But it's also equally important to run with the pace of change. So it's very important to adopt the change in the society in the means of communications like texts and emails. It becomes very difficult for our grandparents especially to adopt these changes. Today's point to Sojo is also delivered by a grandparent, Mamta Dhamecha.
Namaste. This is Mamta Dhamecha. In today's time, letters or email play an important part in communication, while in olden times we used to write letters. Letters used to express emotions of love and joy with each other. We used to write with the pen. The pen used to go on, and a long description in letters. We used to share each and everything with our near and dear ones, but this is not in email or WhatsApp messages because of abbreviations used in short forms and because of short timings and space. Letters are just like a treasure which we go on hunting because we store them, but messages are deleted on the mobile when there is no space left in it. We really enjoyed writing letters to each other. We used to wait desperately for the postman to come. No doubt it took days to reach the letters. The communication was slow comparatively to today's timing of WhatsApp and email. But it was a wonderful experience. It was really a wonderful experience. As it is, we really enjoyed writing letters to each other. But according to the changing times, we have to change ourselves. We have to adopt this technology. Even I am also trying to accept this technology because it is very rapid and very fast. But there are no emotions left in it. Everything is materialistic, and I can't say it is really materialistic there are no feelings of love and affection, but we have to go according to the changing times. Whatever it is, the communication is rapid. Thank you.
विचारो सदा हो पवित्र,
हमारा विचारो सदा हो पवित्र,
हो वाणी हमारी सदा प्रिय सत्य,
हो वाणी हमारी सदा प्रिय सत्य।
कर्मो हमारा हो पुण्य विशुद्ध,
निकर्मो हमारा हो पुण्य विशुद्ध,
प्रभु हो हमारो आजीवन प्रबुद्ध,
प्रभु हो हमारो आजीवन प्रबुद्ध।
तारी शांति नुवाजिंत्र बनिए,
हमें तारी शांति नुवाजिंत्र बनिए,
सदा स्नेह श्रद्धा ने आशा ने वरिए,
सदा स्नेह श्रद्धा ने आशा ने वरिए।
हमारो जीवन हो सदा सत्यनिष्ठ,
हमारो जीवन हो सदा सत्यनिष्ठ,
हमारो कवन हो प्रकाशे प्रतिष्ठा,
हमारो कवन हो प्रकाशे प्रतिष्ठा।
प्रभु सारी सृष्टि नु कल्याण थाए,
प्रभु सारी सृष्टि नु कल्याण थाय,
मळे सुख शांति ने संताप जाय,
मळे सुख शांति ने संताप जाय।
सत्यं शिवं सुंदरम जीवन
सत्यं शिवं सुंदरम जीवन
प्रभु सर्व काले त्रिवेणी रचाय,
प्रभु सर्व काले त्रिवेणी रचाय।
हमारा विचारो सदा हो पवित्र,
हमारा विचारो सदा हो पवित्र,
हो वाणी हमारी सदा प्रिय सत्य,
हो वाणी हमारी सदा प्रिय सत्य,
हो वाणी हमारी सदा प्रिय सत्य।